Power of Diversity Funding Facility is a multi-donor initiative that has been supported by the governments of Germany and Ireland, and it has been launched in 2025, during the first semester of 2025, and it will be run during the next 5 years. For these initiatives, we are looking for 2 different crops. So the pilot project is being run in 5 different countries around the world. In Latin America, the country chosen is Colombia. In India is the country chosen for Asia, and in Africa, the countries are Nigeria, Zambia, and Kenya. So we sit with different stakeholders that belong to the food systems at a national level, and we choose the best 2 crops. The idea behind 2 crops is that 2 is better than 1 and than 0. And of course, we would like in future to have more engagement and more initiatives with more than 2 crops.
Kenya, we have narrowed down on finger millet and amaranth. And for me, I feel that these are superfoods. Amaranth is very, very nutritious. It has crazy levels of vitamin A, and it also helps with a lot of nutritional issues, high levels of magnesium. So this is going to, and it can also be used both as a cereal and as a green leaf, as a leafy vegetable. So all this is going to be very important because it has multiple uses, and it has linkages also with women who conserve and who produce amaranth. Finger millet is also another superfood. It's now critically becoming important because of climate change. In many places in Kenya now, we can no longer grow maize. So some of these crops are coming back to our farms, and of course they will end up also on our tables and our plates. So finger millet is one of those crops that is drought tolerant. It is highly nutritious with high levels of protein, high levels of calcium and iron as well. And I feel that it is also going to impact very positively on our diets, which are predominantly maize. And of course, it's also going to reduce our over-reliance on maize and also over-importation of maize. So if we can bring back finger millet to the table, I think it can also impact on livelihoods because there will be very many opportunities along the value chain for finger millet.
The globe has largely relied on a few crop species, such as maize and wheat. Yet there are several other crops that could also be utilized and are resilient to climate change. Climate change has made several agroecologies unable to produce enough food for the growing population.
Opportunity crops represent the biggest initiative and opportunity for all the agricultural livelihoods around the world that can have sustainability in terms of economical and social aspects.
This is the best thing which has happened to us as farmers. This is what we had been asking. The 2 crops, we are being told that it will be assistant to promote and to become commercialized will help us. For us farmers, opportunity crops are opportunity for crops diversity, is an opportunity for funding, is an opportunity for diversification, it is opportunity for food sovereignty and for food security.
Opportunity crops are opportunity for women, opportunity in production, opportunity in produce, opportunity in empowerment, opportunity in business.
The next phase of this initiative will be there will be 2 major components of that. The first one will be to secure the genetic resources of these 2 crops, and that will involve nationwide collecting efforts, where we will be able to collect these materials from various areas, particularly from the farmers' fields. Then the other component will be the value addition component, where we will do value chain development of the 2 crops, with the aim of seeing how the 2 crops can be of greater value, particularly to the farmers.